Hey, I'm Kimberly from SavvyMamaLifestyle.com, and I just checked into the Trilith Guesthouse in Fayetteville, Georgia. This is a Marriott Bonvoy property that's brand new. And what is in Fayetteville? Why would you want to visit here? Well, Trilith Guesthouse is right next door to the Trilith Studios. The Trilith Studios are where all the big Marvel movies are made, so you might even see some celebrity sightings here. They have been open up for about 5 days, and we just checked in. I'm so excited to experience a stay here at the Trilith Guesthouse, so let's check it out. This was our standard 2-queen bedroom at Trilith Guesthouse. We spent the night here as a family of 5. I was a little bit worried about the space because our kids are getting older, but granted, we had plenty of room, more than I expected, and we're out of the pack and play phase, so we didn't have to lug that thing with us. There's a lot of neutral colors, a mixture of textures, which adds some coziness to these modern fine lines. There's a little table area in the corner if you need a place to sit. Comes some nods with the artwork to movie history because the hotel is across the street from Trilith Studios, where the big Marvel movies are made. So let's go ahead and open up the window, show you the view. I struggled a little bit getting this open, but here you can see there is the heated pool, lounge chairs built in. Sadly, it was January 1st day, so we didn't get to experience it. There is self-parking and valet parking for $25 a night. There's plenty of shopping and dining nearby, and then you can check out a little bit of a better view of the beds. The mattresses were pretty comfy. I love this big wardrobe. I know that they were going out of style for a while, but it really offers a lot of space to hang or fold your clothes. The security box is in there as well, and it had a little bar area attached to it that was really nicely stocked for being a hotel bar. Here's the bathroom, modern white subway tile, and you've got the overhead rain shower, which my husband loves. All right, so this is the fitness center at the Trilith Guesthouse, which is pretty top of the line for a hotel gym. We've got the treadmills, you've got a whole row of kettlebells, mirrored walls, and then on top of that, a set of free weights, the televisions, and a complimentary towels as well. What I love the most is you've got a beautiful view of the Trilith shopping and dining right outside the windows. All right, so you're probably wondering, why would you want to check into the Trilith Guesthouse in Fayetteville, Georgia? And I'll tell you why. You're about 20 to 30 minutes south of downtown Atlanta, so you have access to all the great Atlanta attractions and destinations. On top of that, there's some up-and-coming things to do in Fayetteville because it's a growing community. You have the Trilith Luau, which is a one-of-a-kind Chick-fil-A, and you can tour Trilith Studios, where all these great movies are made, like the Marvel movies. So if you want to tour and be in the footsteps of your favorite stars, that's one of the things you can do in Fayetteville, Georgia. If this helped you plan your stay, go ahead and click like and subscribe for more family travel.